What's happening, everyone? The Man133 here today, and this is actually, guys, what we're doing today is we are going to set up a Minecraft server. I will show you this. I use MC Pro's thing for my servers that I normally do Let's Plays on and stuff. So let's just say I want one for fun. This will be walking you through this will be a tutorial on how to make a Minecraft server, how to host one from your home. So, hope you guys enjoy. This is my first tutorial, so I don't know how well this is gonna go, but so first you will need to go to Minecraft.net. Pretty obvious. Already bought the game here. Click download it here, right there. Now, I'm going to download the exe. The .jar one is only for like Linux, and if you have, let's say, if you want to host like a Tekkit server, that's what you use for. But I'm just doing a normal Minecraft server right now. I will save it to my desktop, so that it's much easier to access. Now, that's gonna take a minute to download. While that's downloading, what you're gonna want to do is right-click your home screen. If you have, oh, sorry guys about that. Trying to load up Hexit. Alright, so what you want to do is right-click, click New, go to Folder, and I'm just gonna name mine MC Server. And you, once that is downloaded, will want to drag the Minecraft server 1.7.4.exe file into there. Now guys, just for the sake of you guys not being bored, I'm going to pause the recording and be right back when that's done downloading. Alright, hi guys. Guys, I'm back. I'm back now. That was like 10 minutes for me for that to download. Well, not now that we actually do have it downloaded. What you want to do first of all, just double click run. Take a minute to load up. This screen will pop up. Let it run for a minute. Check. Okay. Once it's made all the files, right there, do not click the X whatsoever. No matter what, do not click the X. What you want to type in right there is stop, then hit enter. What it'll do is, right now, it'll close the window out on its own when it's ready. Right, let me try that again. Stop. In worst case scenario, guys, if that doesn't work for you, click the X. But try stop first. If the server's actually online and you click the X, it can corrupt the world files. Alright, so I got it to close. So you get all these files. I'll go through them for one by one. The log, that's the one I don't know what it is. The world, that's just your basic world file. You can drag your own world in here if you want to. Banned IPs, if you know the player's IP that you want to ban, you can type that in. Ban players. That's where your players that have been banned will be. The ops.txt file. That is where your operators will be. That's the people that can switch into creative mode. And I'm just gonna add myself. And if you add anything to it, you just click save and X. Now the server.properties, this is the one that matters the most. And this will pop up normally. When you see this screen right here, you will click select a program from a list of installed programs. Click OK, and you can use WordPad or Notepad, though I like Notepad, and this will pop up. If pretty much this is everything that has to do with your server. A MOTD is you guys server, you know what it says, right? I don't know, it's what it says before you join it on the screen, like. And I'm just gonna change mine to Austin's MC server right there. And so pretty much the view distance 10, generate structures, spawn monsters. See, like, you can change your max players. Like, I have 8 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm gonna bump mine up to 30. I like command blocks, so I'm gonna enable that to true. You can enable PvP. If you want a resource pack, you can. Now, online mode. You see this for if you want like a cracked server for people that are too cheap to play for Minecraft and they use like their offline mode. That is what you will want to click on. You want to change that to false. The rest of it is, let me just look through the rest of it. Server IP. Do not mess with the server IP. Never touch that. That's something that is a no, do not touch. Now I want to allow flying, so I will allow flying. Type in true. Never mess with the server port unless you're doing Hamachi. Actually, yes, if you're gonna do Hamachi, though this tutorial is not for Hamachi. The level name, like world, what you can do is if you have you can change that and it will, you save it, and when you start it up again it will generate a whole new world file. Or if you have like Herobrine's Mansion or any custom map, you type that name right there and it will load that world. So I think that's pretty cool. Now I have mine all configured to my liking. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna normal click there and click save. Now I can X out. Now this is where it gets to the, you need to watch right here. This is where it starts getting complicated. You will go to your CMD, your command prompt. Type in ipconfig. Enter. Now, mine is 192.168.1.1. That's my default gateway. You will 192.168.1.1 is what you will type in Internet Explorer or whatever browser you choose. Though I suggest Internet Explorer. Because that is, or your default browser. Your default browser is what you should use. Alright, now it's gonna ask you for, depending on what you have, it's gonna ask you for your username and password for your thing. And then if you're like, well, I don't know what it is. Normally, the default one for most routers is username admin and the password is password. Though that is not mine. I have changed mine. And mine is a Cisco Linksys, so it's, my username is admin, though it's password's not the same. So after this, I'm gonna click remember. Actually, no, I don't want to remember my credentials. I'm gonna click OK. Alright, then depending on which you have, it'll take you here. Now mine, it's under applications and gaming, but other people's, theirs might be under let's say theirs could be under security, and then you'd go to port forwarding or wireless, then port forwarding, or servers and port forwarding. As you can see, I already have mine set up. Alright, so let me just wipe all this and I can walk you guys through it. Oh god, what did I just do? Alright, we're gonna have to go back. Alright, so I'm just gonna delete all this from here and I can walk you guys through it again. Alright guys, so what you will do, first of all, is the external port is, Minecraft's port is 25565. That's what you will type in for the external port, and the same thing for the internal port. And the protocol, you do not want to mess with this. If yours is already, if you see TP, TCP, or UDP, you want to choose both if you have that option. If you don't, can't help you there. Though everyone should have both. Now yours, your IP address that you put in right there, you will find in your CMD. So let me open back up my CMD, and my IPv4 address is right here. 192.168.1.105. I'm gonna type in those last 3 letters. The reason it said 100 before is because I was hosting one from my other computer, so it was already saved on here. And once you have all that typed in, you will click enable if you have the same router as me. Otherwise, I'm just like showing you guys what to do. 25565, again, protocol for both, and then your last 3 letters and enable it. Then you click save settings. Alright, so I have that saved. I can X out of this window. Now, to figure out your IP, you're probably thinking, well, how do I figure out my IP? Well, you can go to Google, and you can, you search what's my IP? Search. Go right there to what'smyip.com. It will load up, and there's my IP. You copy the IP right there, right click, copy, and now we'll start up the server. Because what we just copied right there is your server's IP. That's what other people will use to join it. So we will launch this now. Minimize it, minimize that. Now we'll launch Minecraft. Run. Alright. Okay. Wait for Minecraft to load up. Mine takes a little bit because I have slow internet. Wait for the play button to load up. Alright guys, wait, what? Alright, so click play. Alright, so there, okay, here's Minecraft. I want it. Sorry, it takes a little bit to load up while I'm recording. Alright. Mojang. Dude, come on, a little bit faster. Okay. What just happened? Oh, I believe I have it set for full screen. Oh crap. Video settings. Let's turn full screen off. I would rather not. Alright, so we're back here. Let me make sure that I'm still recording. Yes, okay. So guys, now we'll go to multiplayer. Record is one of my other servers. So let's just do server name tutorial. And then the server address, you will type in, well, you put what you copied right there, pinging, and there you go. That's what people will use if they're not on your network. Wait for it to log in. Okay. And the world just needs to render and load up. come on, world. Okay. So here we are in Minecraft, and I set myself as an operator, so I can go into game mode 1, as you can see. It is a little bit laggy because I'm hosting the server on my own computer, so there is that. So I can do everything. And that is how to, one last thing actually, guys, before I end this video. Anything, like, let's say, you can type any command in here, and it'll pop up, like, look. I just typed in say meow, no slash in the thing, server, meow. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial helps. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And, I guess, bye.